cashing my chips. Now, buddy. You can't win our chance. You're winning. Stretch your fire ahead. Don't tell me that. Well, my mustache and your beard. Well. Going to rush at it, wow? That's the thing to do?